Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare and Bakery is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God will bless you for always being with your girl. In today's video, I'm going to make a carrot oil. Yes, for glowing skin. This carrot oil contains a lot of vitamins. So guys, let's dive into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share my videos. Please, I need your comments. Comment on my comment section. Yes, you can also decide what you want us to do for you guys. Trust me, and your request will be granted. Don't forget to like and also share my videos. Let's dive into the video. This oil will glow your skin, nourish your skin, and also soften your skin very well. So you'll be needing your carrot. I'm using 4 sticks of my carrot. I wash it up and clean it up, making it dry. Okay, then I grated the carrot. You have to grate it very well. So this is how I am doing, and this is my saucepan. I'm going to use it to boil the carrots. And this is my olive oil. Yes, olive oil is very good. It is rich in D and K. Yes, it's very good. It contains vitamins and prevents premature aging. So olive oil is very nice. If you use olive oil, you see that your skin will become so firm. That the reason why I love olive oil, it makes my skin very firm. Yes, from all angles. So olive oil is very good. So this is my carrot that I am grating. This is my grated carrot. As you can see, this is the grated carrot that we are going to use to do this amazing glowing oil. I grated 4 of it, so I'm going to put it in the saucepan. I'm going to put all in a saucepan. Please remember to subscribe, like, and also share my video. Please, I beg you, like my video and also share my videos. So guys, this is the empty bowl and this is the grated carrot in the saucepan. I'm going to add in the oils into it. Make sure that the oil fill in the carrot. Okay, this is my olive oil. Yes, olive oil is very good because it's softens and also it firms the skin, to firm your skin. This is my coconut oil. I'm using only 2 oils in this production, and the one thing I love about coconut oil is soften the skin, it hydrate the skin, and also it moisturize the skin. Yes, it's very good. It contains a lot of also vitamins. So I'll cook it for 30 minutes, then I will scoop the oil from the chaff. I'll just sieve it 2 times of it. Please make sure to sieve it twice in this production. I sieve my oil twice so that any chaff will not come to the oil, because I need this oil for glowing. This oil will glow your skin. Guys, trust me and do it. This oil, you will come back and give me a testimony. It will glow the skin very nice. Your skin will talk. It will pop up. Guys, do it and bring me a testimony. Remember to share my videos. Also subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.